Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is about Be Nice, Say Hi. A couple of years ago, a friend of mine, James Summerin, introduced me to a new hashtag that he was trying to get trending on Instagram, Be Nice, Say Hi, which is all about saying hello to everybody we meet in outdoor environments. Saying hello to people is a nice thing to do, but it can be much more than that. Saying hello to people in outdoor environments can lead on to a conversation. Right, it's really easy to recognise when somebody's ready to talk, and that can lead on to an opportunity to learn or an opportunity to share. For example, my last video, or maybe the one before that, was walking a short stretch of the Norfolk coastal path. I said hi to these two guys, they came over and said, have I seen the shipwreck? I had no idea that there was a shipwreck anywhere to be found, but they told me about the shipwreck that was just on the coast near where I was, so off I went to Google, and then I went off in search of a shipwreck and I found it, and it was pretty cool. Without me reaching out and saying hi, that conversation would never have happened, and I never would have known that a shipwreck existed, let alone find it. Saying hi to people can have more serious benefits too. When you say hi to somebody, you can often judge by their reaction if they're feeling challenged or struggling in some way. You can often judge by a person's reaction when you say hi, whether or not they're struggling with something, and that's the time to jump in. Always go with your gut, right? If you think somebody's struggling, expand the conversation and ask a few more questions. Because if they are struggling, that gives you a chance to jump in and help somebody else from the outdoor community and have a positive impact on their life. I've got loads of examples. I've spent most of my life in outdoor environments, right? So I've done all of this from day one pretty much, right? But just recently, I was walking the Cotswold Way last week, and I stopped to say hi to a group, and their response was just a little bit vague. So I said, hey guys, how you doing? And they were like, yeah. I said, are you lost? They said, well, we're not really lost. We just kind of don't quite know where we are. Have you got a map? Yes. Then let's have a look and see if we can find a more effective way to use it, right? They were slightly geographically challenged, shall we say. They knew roughly where they were, they didn't know exactly where they were, so I helped them to use a map to find out and pinpoint their exact location and put them back on track. A few weeks ago, I was walking the Norfolk coastal path, right, and I walked past this guy on a mobility scooter. He was on kind of a concrete path that had come towards this end, 1.5 miles from anywhere, covered in sand and dust, the path, not him. And as I walked past, I said hi. About 3 minutes later, I thought, that wasn't quite right, so I turned around and went back, and I'm glad I did, because I went up to him and said, hi, how you doing? And it turns out that he had broken down. His mobility scooter had run out of battery 1.5 miles from anywhere. We managed to track down his family and get them out to help him get home safely and to the warm, which was a good thing. Not so long ago, I was walking in Northumberland, out in the moors. It's quite craggy, it's quite bleak, quite barren, and quite a distance from anywhere, right? And as I walked along, I saw this young guy walking towards me, not a kid, I guess, kind of early 20s. He was inappropriately dressed, his footwear didn't add up. I said hi, and his response wasn't right. So I tried to engage him in conversation, which wasn't an easy thing to do. But, and it turned out that this chap was meant to be in a welfare situation, being looked after 24/7. He had wandered off, got himself a bit lost, so we had a quick drink, made sure he was hydrated, and then we got him back to the people that were looking after him. Probably one of the most memorable instances of me changing tack after I'd said hi to somebody is I was walking along the southwest coastal path in Devon near Exmouth, over the top of the cliffs. I said hi to this lady. It was kind of getting late, and she didn't look right, so I stopped and had a chat, and let's just say I think she was going to take the short way off the cliff. So we had a quick chat, and I said, would you like to walk with me back to town? And she was a bit reluctant, so then I said, look, let's go for coffee. I named a little restaurant in town, so let's go for coffee. Take my phone your family, tell them that you're with me, gave her my name and address, and said, by all means, do all of that as a safeguard for yourself. Let's go and have a coffee. So we went and had coffee, and I like to think that that just by saying hi on that occasion did help somebody to reverse the decision that they'd already made. Thought-provoking stuff. So, Be Nice, Say Hi is a good thing to do, but it's also got some great benefits, right? It gives you an opportunity to learn, it gives you an opportunity to share information, it gives you an opportunity to make new friends, it gives you an opportunity to have a positive impact on somebody else's life. Right, I'm gonna go and carry on my walk around this lake. Whatever you're doing, be good, be awesome, be brilliant, and if I can help you in any way, get in touch and let's make good stuff happen.